How to fix unable to sign out in Valorant. Please close other Riot games before signing out. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix unable to sign out in Valorant. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix unable to sign out in Valorant, there are a couple of things that you can do. The very first thing you have to do is just open up your start menu, and then you want to simply type in percentage app data and then type in percentage again. As you do that, you will see this file folder over here. You just want to click on that file folder. As you come to app data percentage, over here you want to navigate to the tab called app data again, and then this time you want to go to the option called local. Once you go to local, over here you want to look for the folder called Riot Games. So if you see a folder called Riot Games, just go ahead and then delete that folder. It doesn't matter whatever is in that folder because those are just the temporary files. Now in my case, I have already deleted the Riot Games folder. If in your case, let's say that this is the Riot Games folder, you just need to right click on it and choose the option called delete, just like that. And then tap on continue and then confirm the changes. Now if this doesn't help you, then the other thing that you can do is to just come back and make sure that the Vanguard is actually closed. So to do that, from the bottom right hand side of the screen, you will see this little arrow button. Just click on that arrow button and you'll see this Vanguard icon. Right click on it, choose the option called hide tray, and once you've done that, try to do the activity that you were trying to do earlier. And that's all it takes to fix unable to sign out in Valorant. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon in our next video.